Pearl Beach Camp is one of the popular beach car camping places in Medellin, Cebu. It is a private property where you can park your car beside you and camp. Overnight camping, 250 pesos for adults and 150 pesos for kids.
Now we're giving it a try.
Parking fee 100 pesos for cars and 50 pesos for motorcycles. They do not allow walk-ins. We need advance booking. This place is first come first serve, so you have to come early to choose the best spot in the place.
Like I'm 17 cause you want what's under my skin.
Car camping by the beach with family is so much fun.
So won't you say what you said to me?
Pearl Beach Camp has no corkage on food and drinks. The place is pet friendly and offers unlimited Wi-Fi.
Guess now we're giving it a try. I like the way you describe it to people who won't go quiet. Cause every day I'm reminded of all the descriptions I could make. Know what we could be. Sometimes I feel we're nothing, but you talk like we're something.
You can buy freshly caught fishes from fishermen.
Guess now we're giving it a try. I like the way you describe it to people who won't go quiet.
They have payag, good for 2 adults, non-aircon for 1,000 pesos only. They also have family house, aircon, 7,500 pesos for 10 persons.
Try not to live like I'm 17 cause you want what's under my skin. The door is open but I won't let me in. So won't you say what you said to me on the roof of your house? 'Cause I've been having my doubts. Oh yeah, don't know what we could be. Sometimes I feel we're nothing, but you talk like we're something. I guess now we're giving it a try. I like the way you describe it.
You can just chill, sit on your camping chair, breathe in the fresh air and enjoy the beautiful view of the sea. During late afternoons, you can watch the sunset.
I like the way you describe it to people who won't go quiet.
It was the owner's Mom Pearl birthday that day. See you on our next adventure.